Hey guys, the soup tastes so good. You have to try. And by the way, I'm the first taster. And if any other kids want to cook, please do it with an adult. Or else you might get burned. And then peel up the tofu skins. Then cut up the tofu into slices like this, as shown. And then you add a bit more water. And then put in the tofu. It will look like that, simmering nicely. Auntie, are you adding milk into the dish? Wait. Turn off the fire and then add the egg. Add the last of the spring onions.